Basically, you install the app on your phone or on your computer. You run the app and it shares your internet connection, but it does not access your personal data on your phone. Now, be careful with this because you don't want to share your data if you are on a mobile data plan because it won't be worth it. This is only, I recommend doing this if you have an unlimited Wi-Fi or home internet connection and using your phone and not sharing your mobile data. There are different settings you can set so you just are sharing your Wi-Fi connection, and I show you how to do that in the first tutorial I did on Honeygain, which I will link to in the description below as well. So basically, you're running the Honeygain app. Your connection is used to gather bits of information from the internet, and then you get paid. Now, this isn't something you're going to make a lot of money with. Most of the people promoting Honeygain, for example, I have get a referral commission for everyone who signs up under my link if they make money. For example, if they earn $10, I will make $1. So I'm going to be honest with you that this is not something you're going to make a lot of money, but it's something that you can run in the background and make a couple extra dollars, a week or a month with this app. And if you recommend this app to your friends and family and they sign up using your referral link, you'll also earn 10% of whatever they earn as well. So that is another way to make more money with Honeygain. So let's go into the Honeygain dashboard. And as you can see here, I have a current balance that's equal to $25.69, and you're able to withdraw when you reach $20. So I'm going to request payout with you, but first I want to be upfront and honest with you about how I have made this much money in 2 months using Honeygain. So you can see here I have these 2 active devices. And the one thing is I have my Samsung phone, an old Samsung phone that I'm no longer using, that I've been turning on just to use with the app, but I have not been using it every single day. I've, only been using it a little bit. And my Windows 10 as well, I haven't been using it as much. So this here is really, I have only earned myself $1.30 because I only connected it for a couple days. So the majority of this money has come from referrals. But I am going to show you if I had kept this going every single day, how much it would be, because I was making around 15 cents a day or so in the first few days when I kept running the phone. I was finding that it was taking up a lot of my battery life, so I kept forgetting to recharge it. So this isn't an accurate estimate of how much I could have made without the referrals. Another way to earn extra money is every single day you can win credits. So basically this little thing will pop up on your phone or on your computer, wherever you have Honeygain installed, and you just click try your luck, and every day you have the chance to win up to 10,000 Honeygain credits. So just click open, and then, okay, so that means I just won, that's just 1 cent. That's not a lot of money, that's just 1 cent. And then you click add to account. But if you do this every day and you only win 1 cent, well, there's 30 cents in a month, but I have many times won 5 cents or even 10 cents. So you can see here I have 401 referrals, which is how I have got to this amount within 2 months without using my own app very much. But I'm going to show you exactly the transactions history so you can see exactly how I have accumulated this much money. Okay, so let's go down to the beginning when I first started this app or downloaded it. Okay, so you can see here I started doing the honey jar winning, and this would have 20 coins would be 2 cents, 2 cents, 1 cent, and then 5 cents, 10 cents. So the highest I have got has been 100 a couple times. So you can do that every single day. But in addition to that, you can see this is how much money I gathered without using my referrals. So I started the referrals here, and you can see the income from referral. And in the beginning, I was installing my app and I was using the app every single day. And you can see here how much I was making. So the highest I gathered just using one device, my one phone in the day, was $154.61, and that converts to 15 cents. Okay, so that's not a lot of money. I think this can be higher depending on what country you're in. If you're using more devices, this number will be higher. So let's do a little bit of math to see how much I would have made right now if I did not have these referrals, because I'm getting almost as much or more from my referrals as I was gathering, these credits from my phone. Let's say I am making 15 cents a day on average by just running the app in the background, and I times this by, let's say, 2 months. That's $9 in 2 months. So it's not a lot of money. And then let's say on average with the winning credits, I'm getting, let's say on average 2 cents a day. Then 2 cents a day in 2 months would be 60 cents. So on average, you could make $10 in 2 months if you are installing this on one device and running it all day long. And then if you start adding in more referrals, you could potentially double this number depending on how many different referrals you have. So if I had been running this every single day, because I kept forgetting to keep running my app and, because my battery was dying, then this number would be, much higher. It would probably be closer to $35 or $40. So this is just to give you a realistic picture of how much you can make. It's going to take you a while, especially if you don't have any referrals, to get to the $20. But if you, just have your phone on and you're just like whatever, you're just sharing your internet connection. I didn't notice in those days I had the app running, my internet wasn't any slower. It was the exact same. So, it didn't seem like a big deal to have it going. And the only reason I don't have it on my main phone is because I use my main phone so much I didn't want the battery to drain faster. So before I show you the payout, I just want to show you how you can get your own referrals. You can click on this little button here that says referrals, and then you're going to click invite friends, and then right here you have the link that you can share. And this here will be your referral link, so you can just click copy and share that with your friends, or click the email icon or share on Twitter or Facebook, and then you will get 10% of whatever your friend earns. So your friend will get $5 for signing up under your link, and if your friend makes $10 or earns $10, then you will get $1. Now you won't be taking your friend's earnings, you'll just get an additional commission on that, okay? So this is a great way for you to make a little bit of extra money as well if you can get some of your friends to sign up under you. Okay, so let's do the payout. We're going to go back to the dashboard and we're going to click on request payout. So they're going to ask you how you would like to receive the payout, either with PayPal or Bitcoin. So I'm going to click PayPal, then click continue. It says, are you ready to collect your earnings? $25.70. It usually takes up to 48 hours to process payout requests, so please be patient. So I'm going to click request payout. Then they have a security check before continuing. We've sent a verification code to your email inbox. Please enter the code below. So Honeygain will send you a verification code to your email. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the code, then click submit code. Okay, and it says your $25.70 is on its way. Our payment partner, Tipalti, is now handling your sweet money. In 48 hours, you will receive further instructions to your email. So I'm going to click OK. And now my balance is back at 0, and I would have to wait until I get to $20 to do the payout again. So a few days after I requested payout, I received an invitation to Honeygain's payout portal, so you do have to go through this process just for your first payout. So you're going to go ahead and register on the Tipalti Inc. portal by following this link. And then you're going to put in your email address, create a password and a security question, and register. After that, you'll get a verification code to your mobile phone number. So put in your country, your mobile phone number, and press send code. You'll verify the code, and then you're going to put in your address, all your contact information, and then make sure to put in your payment method. So I chose PayPal, and put in your payment currency, your email address, and then your first and last name, and make sure it's the first and last name that you have associated with your PayPal account. Then you'll agree to the terms of service, and it will direct you to step 3, which is done. So after this, there was no additional information on what to do, so I just waited a few days. Okay, so about 24 to 48 hours after I filled in all my Tipalti registration details, I got this email from Honeygain saying you've got cash. A payment of $24.19 has been sent to your PayPal account today. Here are a few details about the payout, and you can see that the initial amount withdrawn was $25.70, and there was a transaction fee of $151. And so when you go to PayPal, you'll see here the $24.19, and it's paid by this here, OOX-MAC, and that's payouts@honeygain.com. Okay, so that is the email address that will pay you into your account. So I can verify that Honeygain is legit. You will get paid. These are the steps that you have to take to get payout. But again, you know, I was able to reach this amount as quick as I did because of all my referrals. And if I was using the Honeygain app every day and making the extra 15 to 20 cents or whatever each day, then that number would be even higher. So this isn't something that's going to make you rich, but it might be a couple extra dollars a month, and if you have more referrals, even more than that. However, you will get paid with this, so it is legit and it's not a scam. It just might take you longer than you think to reach that amount of money. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please click like. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one, and I will see you later.